What's up mga ka-punchline? Welcome back sa Don Rudy Boxing Channel, kung saan ang analysis ay seryoso pero ang prediksyon minsan parang pustahan sa kanto. At 31 January, sasabog ang New York dahil sa laban ng dalawang batang superstar ng Amerika. Teofimo Lopez, ang WBO Junior Welterweight Champion, laban kay Shakur Stevenson, ang 3 beses na World Champion. Power versus defense, tapang versus talino, suntok versus iwas. Tara, hibayin natin to parang lechon sa handaan.
I don't see it being a complete blowout, but I do see Shakur beating him decisively. He's a beast. I was part of them both, but I think Shakur is just defensively more. He's just more there defensively. Teofimo's not a bad fighter. He's a beast. But I'm gonna have to go with Shakur in this fight.
Fight profile comparison muna tayo. Teofimo, the takeover Lopez. Lakas, legit knockout power. Explosiveness, biglang pasabog, walang paalam. Confidence, minsan sobra, minsan kulang sa disiplina. Mindset, gustong tapusin agad ang laban. Kapag nakatiming si Teofimo, kahit bodyguard sa ringside, napapaatras. Shakur, hit and don't get hit. Stevenson, defense, elite, parang may invisible shield. Footwork, smooth, parang nagja-just step. Ring IQ, mataas, chess player sa boxing. Style, control, patience, calculation. Si Shakur, ang tipong uuwi ka ng talo pero hindi mo alam kung kailan ka nasa pool. Ito ang laban ng power versus IQ. Kung makorner ni Teofimo si Shakur kahit isang beses lang, delikado, lights out potential. Pero kung tatamaan ni Teofimo ang hangin buong gabi, frustration ang magiging kalaban niya, hindi si Shakur. Round by round, komentary muna tayo. Round 1 and 2, si Shakur nagwa-warm up. Si Teofimo naghahanap ng ulo, pero paa ang nakikita. Round 3 to 5, uy, may pumasok, ay hindi, camera angle lang pala. Round 6 to 8, pagod na si Teofimo kahabol, si Shakur parang late sa appointment. Round 9 to 11, ito na yung round na either may milagro o may reklamo sa judges. Round 12, kung may bomba, tapos na ang laban. Kung wala, welcome sa math class, puro calculation. Sa Madison Square Garden, hindi sapat ang footwork lang. Gusto ng crowd, action. Kapag masyadong maingat si Shakur, may boo, may sigaw, may tweet agad. Official prediction, may kulit. Prediction ng Don Rudy Boxing, Shakur Stevenson via unanimous decision. Pero may malaking kung makakatsyempo si Teofimo ng isang malinis, buo at walang takip na suntok, walang footwork, walang defense, walang boxing IQ, good night New York. Mga ka-punchline, ikaw na magsabi. Team Teofimo, tatapusin ba agad? Team Shakur, outsmart hanggang dulo? Comment down below. Like, share at subscribe sa Don Rudy Boxing Channel. Dahil dito, kahit talo, may tawa.
As well as that he's very defensive, and people compare that to him being like Pretty Boy Mayweather. His last performance, they gave him a lot of credit. You know, he's coming up in my weight class. I'm the king of my weight division. I really want to show people that the real one is right here.
Kobe is hurt. Kobe is in trouble. Teofimo Lopez is on his way. Get right, right. Continuing with the punches.
Hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa munting channel ko, mag-like, nag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa bagong video upload ko. God bless.
Please like and subscribe to keep you guys updated with the Pinoy boxers that I'm going to feature next.